Greetings, welcome to the channel. I'm Ready Set Go with a quick bit of Vespa news for you. If you are a fan of the Vespa Piaggio scooter range, then here's a bit of news that may put a smile on your face for 2021. 2021 is actually the 75th anniversary of the Vespa brand. It was first introduced to the world back in 1946, and 2021 marks 75 years of producing wonderful, stylish Italian scooters. And to celebrate this occasion, Vespa have released an exclusive limited edition range across a number of the models, which will be available from March this year, March 2021, and they will be available until the end of this year, December 31st, 2021. So you will have 10 months to get your orders in. So this limited edition range is called the Vespa 75th range. It will be appearing across a number of models, including the Vespa Primavera 50, 125 and 150cc models, and also the Vespa GTS 125 and 300cc. All the Vespa 75th bodies will be made in all steel and presented in a Giallo 75th. I hope I pronounced that right. Giallo 75th, which is an original metallic yellow. It's a very off yellow. It's kind of a creamy yellow, harking back to the fashion of the 1940s. So the 75th bodies will be all steel, presented in Giallo 75th, which is an original metallic yellow. The side panels and the front mudguard will also subtly display a number 75 on them as well. It's kind of a blended in 75. It looks very nice and aesthetically pleasing, not too garish. So yeah, the side panels and the front mudguard will display the number 75. The scooters will also feature a premium leather saddle finished in smoke grey with piping, rim wheels painted in grey with a diamond finish, and many other chrome-plated details throughout the bike, including the badge on the front mudguard, the instrument cluster surround, the exhaust can cover, the rear view mirrors, and on the GTS, the fold-away passenger foot pegs will also be finished in chrome. The rear luggage rack is also chrome plated with a new round leather bag mimicking the original Vespa's spare wheel holder. The bag comes with a shoulder strap for easy carrying. It clips on back onto the luggage rack quite easy with a quick release system. It also comes with a waterproof cover for the bag, so you can look stylish on your Vespa. You can take your bag off when you approach the cafe, when you pull up for work, and you've also got a handy waterproof cover to keep all your possessions nice and dry. In terms of technology, the Vespa 75th range will feature the best technology that Piaggio can pour into the scooters. All of these scooters above 50cc will have a 4.3-inch colour TFT display and the capacity for you to connect your smartphone to have all of those media connection options. And to top it all off, the finishing touch on this Vespa 75th experience is everybody that buys one of these scooters will come with a welcome kit. And this isn't just the owner's manual and the spare key. You actually get a welcome kit including an elegant Italian jacquard silk scarf with hand-sewn hems, a vintage steel Vespa plate, the owner's book, and 8 collectible postcards from the 8 decades of the Vespa story. So I really do love those. I love those finishing touches there. It'd be great if every bike you bought, you got a welcome kit with like maybe a free t-shirt in there, a cap, maybe some trading cards or something. But yeah, so the Vespa 75th will come with a welcome kit with lots of goodies, including a very fashionable and perhaps functional Italian jacquard silk scarf with hand-sewn hems. In terms of price, I don't have any prices, unfortunately, but you can expect the GTS 125 version of the Vespa 75th to retail for about £5,000, the GTS 300 model more about £5,600, so in that region for this very premium limited edition range that will be running from March 2021 until the end of this year. So there you have a quick update about the new Vespa 75th limited edition range that's coming into showrooms as of March 2021. Is the Vespa 75th on your radar? Are you looking for that stylish Giallo 75th colour scheme with the awesome detachable round saddle? Please drop a comment below, join the discussion, let me know what you think about this new exciting and fashionable looking Vespa. If you are new to the channel, then please make sure to subscribe to see weekly motorcycle news, reviews and content, and if you have enjoyed this quick video, pop a thumbs up to support the channel. Your support is always appreciated. I've been Ready Set Go. Hope you ride safe and stay safe. I'll see you next time.